last week or so with runners at third and nobody out. Tonight, first man to get that opportunity will be Ching-Sen Ko. The back and the hip and everything else that's going on with him, there is no relaxation. Pitch on the way to Ko, the 1-0. Dragging them down in left field, like his demeanor looked. The Mendoza line up to 218 coming into tonight. No home runs, 3 RBIs through the next circle. The 3-1, Ko fouls it back here to the screen. He was obligated to go, nobody out. 3-2 on the way, Ko fouls it back. Pitzer, 3-2 on the way. Ko takes backdoor breaking ball just outside, ball 4. Second walk up. 3-1 on the way to Chase Harlan is low for ball 4, and it's 1-0 Rancho. At home, 40 runs batted in. Nico scorches one, deep center field. Brito back there, he's got room to make the catch. 2 of the 3 will tag in advance, including Emil Morales as he comes in to score, and it's 2. Blues don't exist anymore. We sold them. Pitch on the way, Myro swings over the top of a breaking ball. Osorio had an RBI hit in last night's game. First pitch swinging, pops it up. Left side of the infield, Holiday and Daliz. It's going to be Holiday. He can't get there. Totally misplayed it. It's down for a hit, and a run is home. Harlan is Jacob Wright, set at the belt. Home with the 1-2. Breaking ball, grounded down to third, and Harlan cannot make the backhanded play. It's in the left field for a run home. We'll wait and see how it's scored officially. Will come to the plate. Two outs, man aboard. Quakes by a run, 3-2. That's their 3rd hit of the day. 2 of the 3 already procured by Morales. Pitch on the way to Ko. He's late, fouling it off. The 0-1 on the way. This is, of course, you mix in the Copa identity ones that are, special Star Wars jerseys to choose from. I don't think they travel with all of them, but I know they travel with at least 3 or. There's also a listing for specialty promos they have in the game notes. You're welcome. 2-2 on the way to Ko. Misses outside. 3 and exceeding 70 degrees on days that end in Y. 3-2 on the way to Ko. Outside for ball 4. Yet another walk. Saw 3 of them in the first inning from Herrera. This is the first in the second inning. The 4th overall. This against Marcos Herrera. Pitch on the way is Nico Perez. Pitch coming home is the 2-0. Misses high as Herrera on the cusp here at 3-0. The pitch outside, ball 4. Ko has earned 3 of the 5 walks issued by Herrera tonight. Lead on. They lost to the Lake Elsinore Storm back in 2022. Here's a line drive into left field. Coming on is Ko. He'll make the running grab. Down to watch. That's kind of how today's game has gone. There's a fly ball sliced into left field. Here comes Ko on the move. He'll run it down. There's 2 away. 2 outs. Pitch on the way from Jamison to Ko. There for a strike, gets over. But he actually faced that'll do it. 1-1 on Ko. Pitch misses low. He packs a punch, but he has not yet gone deep in a Rancho uniform. The pitch is just in. 3-1 on Ko. The pitch slapped foul back to the screen. Many days against his former ball club. The 3-2 is all the way to the backstop. Ko walks for a 4th time. Time starting to run out on the Quakes here tonight, down to the last 6 outs. Here's a soft line drive into left field. It's down for a base hit. Roynier Hernandez with his first. 1-2, slapped into left field. Here's Ko making the catch. He's going to try to get him at the plate. The throw in on one hop is late. They're going to call him out. How in the world are they calling him out? Here is Cesar Galvez to ask that very question. How? Ko with a 1-hop strike, 7-2. Galvez can't believe it. Neither can I. Quakes catch a break. Did he never touch home plate? Is that what we're looking at? The fly ball into left field. Here we go. Coe is the tying run. He is without a home run here in the California League. Pitch coming home inside, and the 1-0 offering to Coe, right down the middle for a strike. Surroundings, Holiday near him at second. 1-1 on the way, line drive, softly poked. Holiday can't make the play. It's in the left for a base hit. They're gonna send the runner home, and the throw is all the way to the backstop. Coe to second. Oh my goodness. Junior Zerpa coaching at third, just caught a huge break. Not necessary to send Morales. If the catcher would have controlled the throw, Morales was out by 3 steps. 1 hop all the way to the backstop. What a break.